So, all of my attempts to remove the pilot drill bit from this Hole Dozer auger failed. So, so I can't get it off in order to insert it into this one. And because I don't want to stall what I'm doing, I decided to buy another Hole Dozer, except one that matches the smaller size, and it comes with the pilot drill bit installed. So this one costs $17.99 at Home Depot. Um, yeah, I tried everything I could with the tools that I have to get this pilot drill bit out of this Hole Dozer, and I could not get it out. And instead, I ended up damaging some of my tools. So instead of wasting any more time on that, just decided to buy this 1-inch Hole Dozer, which matches this one here that came with that one. But yeah, that's that's what I ended up doing. It really sucks. I wish they gave two of these pilot drill bits with the kit that I bought, but they didn't. And I also wish they designed this so that the screw wouldn't get so tight that it would make it so hard to remove. It should have a stopper or something on it so that people like myself that don't have a vise um, or don't have the proper tools to undo it, um, we can remove it. So that really sucks, but I guess if I ever did need um, a sharp 1-inch one or to replace, then maybe I can ask, go into the store and ask someone to help me remove it. I don't know if they would, but this is what I ended up doing, is just buying another one with the drill bit installed. Yeah, that was my solution to that. A little bit more expensive, but what can you do? That's it for my update. Thanks for watching.